There are nearly 26 million refugees and 4 million asylum seekers worldwide. Unfortunately, each year, only 0.5% get a chance to settle in a new country. Seeking asylum by definition is an essential human right. Everybody whose life or freedom is threatened has the right to seek asylum. Although refugees escape hardship and oppression to reach their host country, their battle begins in the host country. They face many barriers such as language and culture, not to mention greater obstacles such as racism and xenophobia.
Contrary to popular belief, the majority of refugees are educated and skilled people. Their potential contribution to their host countries is undervalued. If refugees are given the chance to adapt to their newfound homes, the host countries will surely reap the rewards in the future. In fact, there are many examples of refugees achieving success in a wide range of fields like education, industry, sports, and arts.
Here at Oscar Education, we have identified a gap that is critical to the development of young refugees seeking asylum. An initiative to help these wonderful people build a new life in the countries they now decide to call home.
Our aim is to empower refugees through language education. We provide English classes to all refugees, regardless of their background, free of charge. Our teachers are native-speaking volunteers who share our passion for refugee empowerment. We run online classes during the week that suit the personal timetables of our students. Flexibility is what makes our program so unique.
Our English language program was initiated after seeing the problems faced by refugees due to language barriers. Many refugees struggle with basic daily tasks such as shopping and socializing as a result of language inadequacy. Furthermore, although being qualified, refugees can't join the workforce or continue their education without being competent in the English language. Our goal is to hasten the process of language adaptation. We believe that our classes will have many indirect effects, whether it is expanding social circles or having a better understanding of the legal process. We are sure that the benefits of this program will be seen outside the classroom and the workforce as well.